Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all alright. So in this video you're going to see so it's two lots of Tesco's hauls. So if you're wondering why it looks like I've like bought twice, double of something, because I went shopping on Tuesday after work and got some meals in for the week and that, and and then you end up running out, don't you, because you got to eat, and then I was topping up on my drinks and that, Oasis and iced tea and that, and then I didn't really want to go around after work on Friday. So I got a little fly or a moth flying around, so yeah, yeah, I didn't really want to go around work after Friday, but then I realised there were some things I needed, like razors and stuff. So I thought, I might as well just include this little haul all in one. So it's shopping what I bought on Tuesday and shopping that I bought on Friday as well. So yeah, I see myself over until Tuesday when I'm back to work, because I've got a couple of days off. I've got today and Monday off. I'm in work Sunday till only 12:30 till 4. The old seagulls, yeah. Sounds like I'm on the beach, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so I work till 4, so of course you can't go because everything closes at 4, doesn't it, on a Sunday? So yeah. So this video is going to be like the Tesco's hauls, and as some of you know, I'm on Facebook and Marty, if you want to go and add me. Also some memories on Facebook have been popping up. 4 years to the day me and Mum went and had lunch. 3 years to the day we were sitting in our park and that kind of thing. We called it our park. It's our park. So yeah, I've just included some memories of, like, 4 years ago, of me and Mum and that. So I've included that, and like, it's kind of like she's still in the video, really. So yeah, and I'm sorry for the lighting. I finally got so I had a massive, great big excuse the mess in my room. So I had a great big lamp in my room. It was my mum's, and I kind of nicked it, and had it here, and it was a bit old hat, and I've been trying to screw it in, and it's just becoming loose, as and stuff, and it's been sort of flopping sideways. It was like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and I just had enough of it, and I thought, because it's falling over into let's see, it's already, my picture's already ski whiffed of me and Mum. So what I've got, before that's just a shadow, by the way, before people start saying it's mould. It's not, actually. It's just a so yeah, I've got my my battery operated light on. So yeah, because there's a loose connection, I haven't got a proper light, so yeah. I've got my little lamp on over there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's really bad lighting. Yeah. All my clothes all folded up over there, and yeah, my CDs and my my bags, all my arts and crafts, arts and crafts, all there, so yeah. Anyway, so enough of me rattling on. So here is the video of memories of Martin and Mum Sylvia, and also my Tesco's haul. A little bit of Soxy as well, because he always likes to get in on the video as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. So here it is, guys. Yeah, Oh, and also, very quickly, this picture first that you'll see is a funny picture. There's two pictures that make me laugh, and this picture of me and my mum. We were waiting outside Tesco's, not the Tesco's I work at, but another Tesco's, and waiting for a taxi. And I was like, "Oh, come on, let's have a selfie," and we did. And she was lifting her arm up like that, and she was trying to adjust the shopping bags that she had, and it looked like she was ready to punch me. Obviously, she wasn't. So yeah, so this is the picture that looks like where she's ready to punch. I think quite funny. So here it is, and enjoy the haul, guys. I'm just enjoying my cup of coffee. Mm. Is this what you're after? Yeah. Is that what you're after? Hey everyone. So as you can tell, I'm probably I'm at work. I'm in the canteen. I start in 45 minutes. Yeah, start at 1:30. I'm not on the checkouts today. I'm in the petrol station. They're short staffed over there, so I've got to go over there. It's my normal shift, 1:30 to 5:30, and I haven't had no sleep. Well, a little bit. I feel alright though. I've got my lunch, got my fridge raiders, 2 of those. Got my water for work later. What else I've got? Vegetables, sushi. Just having a quick snack. I had breakfast today. I had 2 cereal bars and a bowl of cereal. And I got one of those, like a protein bar. And I've just been to the Tesco's cafe to get a medium latte, just a normal one. Oh, I need it. I didn't realise the time. I was up all night. I was just like journaling and stuff and watching YouTube, and then I just lost track of time. I thought, I might as well get a shower. That's the telly you can hear in the background. So yeah, I'm off to do my shift in a minute. Yeah, and yeah, then go home, do my dinner, see to the cats, and then chill for the rest of the day. Hope you guys are all alright. Hi everyone. So I am in the canteen in the petrol station. I don't often work over the petrol station. I'm a checkout chick, as you know. So I'm on my break now, and I've got about an hour and a half to go. So when I go back, I'll go back at 10 to 6, so I'll only have an hour to go. So yeah, I'm on my break. Got my cheese, egg and crest sandwich. I'm on my break now. I've got some pop chips. They're the salt and vinegar ones, are they? Oh yeah, sea salt and vinegar. Then I've got some salt and vinegar lentil crisps. I'm being a pig. Love Raw. Cream and wafer bar. Not tried those before, so there's not much healthy stuff over in the petrol station than there is in the actual store, but it'd take me like, about 10 minutes to walk over there and another 10 minutes back, and I lose my break. A Mars bar, being naughty, having a little bit of chocky. Got my iced caramel coffee, Jimmy's, is it? Yeah. And my caramel latte. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just on my break. Day off tomorrow. Chill out. Done all my shopping yesterday. So yeah, got my meals, my dinner and all that. So yeah. Right, and then the last things I bought 3 magazines. The new OK magazine isn't out. So I got the new Closer magazine. Sorry about the light reflecting, I got the flash on. And then I got the Heat magazine. And then New magazine. And I picked up some lemon and garlic king prawns. Yeah, gonna have some of those. Yeah, so the first thing I picked up was the sliced chicken for Sir, who's waiting for it. And the next thing I picked up was some cereal, seriously cinnamon squares. So some of those for my breakfast. Some vegetable oil because I was all out of it. Some of the mixed berries. These are the raspberries and blueberries. Make a fruit salad. And then some strawberries. Tuck into those tonight. And then my watermelon and mango. Just like that tonight as well. And then some Uncle Ben's original. No, sorry, not Uncle Ben. No, it's just Ben's original. Yeah, I think it's like Uncle Ben's rice. So long grain rice. And then just a normal Tesco's own basmati rice, cheap one. You can pick it out. 2 lots of the Nutri-Grain, the blueberry one, and then I got the strawberry one. And I think I thought I'd pick up one of these, the Nescafe. They're just a 2-in-1. So you've got, I don't know if it's just the coffee and milk, no sugar. So, and then the 2-in-1. Sorry, 3-in-1. Then you got all the milk, coffee, and sugar. And I picked up some of the vegetarian butcher, what the cluck. Some of those. Then the impeccable, what the from the vegetarian butcher. They're the fillets. They are really nice. And then the mozzarella and pesto escallops, corn chicken. They are really nice as well. I like those. And 1 avocado. 1 onion, because I was down to, I had 1 onion left. 1 onion left, so I've got to get another one. Some kitchen towel, the 2 in a pack there. Packet of jelly babies. And a little packet of wine gums, juices. And some mature grated cheddar cheese, 3 strengths, some cheese. And 1 semi-skimmed milk. I've got 3 of the Oasis citrus punch, 3 of those. Then a lemon tea, iced tea. Well, I did get 2 of those actually. There it is, and there's the second one. And I bought some frosted flakes. These are the cheapy version of can't think, frosted flakes. Well, they're not cornflakes. Frosties. So I got some of those. Then I got some strawberry filled the Belvita, and then I bought some of the Gillette Fusion 5. They're really good for shaving. Up to 10 months of shaving. So you can use them again and again for a couple of times, so they last for a while. So some of those, they're not cheap, but they're bloody good razors though. I had a little pack of these the other day in my break, and they are really nice, and they're lentil chips. So, and they're not very salt and vinegar. That's quite strong, but they're not that strong. So I got a big pack of those, 93 per calorie. Yeah. So yeah, some of those, and then some luxury soft toilet paper. We're all out. 4 rolls, the quilted one. And some of the big Dettol wipes, the big and strong Dettol wipes. You get, how many is in there? Oh, 25. 25 extra wipes. Yeah, the bigger ones I find better. They're easier to clean with. So I've got some Uncle Ben's, well, it's just called Ben's now. Ben's original long grain rice. Got some Dreamies for the cats, the cheesy ones. And I've got 3 of the boiled eggs. You get 2 in there. So I've got 6 here. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. I'm going to do a dinner salad in a minute. I got some more of the impeccable meat, the chicken breast from the vegetarian butcher. So yeah, I got some of those. They are so nice. If you've not tried them, try them. There's 2 in a pack there. 2 in a pack there. The vegetarian butcher impeccable. Very nice. Then the Viv Era, I think it's called, chicken breast style. I haven't tried those, but they look good, so I thought I'd give them a try. Vegan friendly, contains 9% protein, vitamins, and iron, B12. So yeah, I'll give those a try. And this is the real chicken. This is for the cats. So yeah, so I'll be in their good books. Yeah, some of that. Some Heinz seriously good mayonnaise. Only the best stuff. Those to go with the eggs in a minute. We're going to make devil's eggs. Some Coleman's mustard. Yeah, some mustard. 2 avocados. You can see in there my bag. So I've got 2 of the Oasis, the citrus. Is that the citrus punch? Yeah, 2 of those. Because I'm a bit low on drinks. I've drunk the others. Yeah. And then I've got a lemon Lipton drink, lemon iced tea. So yeah. Then I've got a Woman's Own magazine. Woman's Own. Then the Woman magazine. And then Bella magazine. Right, okay. Thank you ever so much, guys, for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, give it a like, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for coming over to me and watching my channel, my videos. And also my friends, thank you so much for supporting me, my channel. Thank you ever so much. Thank you for all your nice kind messages, and thank you. And if you do want to drop me a message down below, drop me a message, and I do read all your messages. I do, and I will reply back to you as well. So take care, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, and have a really good weekend. And I shall see you next week on the next video. So, see you later, guys. Bye.